we are experiencing an aging workforce, and the opportunity for us to get into colleges, universities, and even into high schools, and we're looking at even getting into middle school, because we do offer a job shadowing program here too. It's important for us to give these individuals opportunities to learn the different opportunities and jobs that are available, that are out here when they graduate, that it be from high school or college. And this gives us an opportunity to recruit good young talent that are full of vibrant ideas and different perspectives on how to handle work challenges, but yet also replaces an aging workforce. The baby boomers are moving out, the millennials are moving in, and we are adapting ourselves to that type of model. So it's best to kind of commingle now, but as that baby boomer group enters that retirement stage, then it gives us the opportunity to bring in fresh talent. So STEM is the science, technology, engineering, and math program that we partnered with the city with several years ago, and it incorporated a lot of high school students that were up and coming and wanted to offer them summer opportunities, and PwC stepped up with 10 in the first program. This year they incorporated the workforce development piece called ICON that opened it up for those, I say, students that were even graduated from high school, 18 to age 24. The summer internship program is that we offer every year for college students, that it be freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. And we try to pick a career that they're majoring in at their university or college, and that we can bring them in here in the summer and offer them challenges and projects that they can work on to assist PwC in reaching strategic plans and goals that we have within departments. All of these internship programs that we have are paid. So you walk out of here with a paycheck that you can either give to your mother and father or spend it on things that you like.
So Watersheds is kind of tough to quantify. It's really cool. We spend a lot of time outside, but everything's about sustainability and maintaining the environments and the natural habitats. So a lot of things that we do, people would be like, oh man, that sounds terrible, but it's for maintaining the natural environment. It can be arduous, it can be tedious, it's definitely hot, but it's well worth it. It's really cool. And I mean, we're in some of the most beautiful areas of places I had no idea. I've lived here more than 10 years. I had no idea that there's so much beauty here in town.
I go to Methodist University. I'm a senior. I'm a double major in biology and environmental and occupational management with a concentration in natural resources and regulatory compliance. So I've done grease trap inspections where you go out to restaurants, you inspect where the grease comes down the drains. I've done backflow preventer inspections where if a home has a sprinkler system, that means they have a backflow. It's basically preventing water from coming back into the pipes that PwC has. I've also inputted reports for grease traps and for the backflow preventers. I've worked on permits. I've gone and done inspection of businesses. I've done a whole assortment of things that you could think of here at PwC. I think the most interesting thing about the internship here is how many people I've gotten to know and work with. I've met people in HR. I've worked with Jason and safety specialists. I've worked with Ray Jackson, environmental specialists. I've gotten to see a lot of things that go on here, and it's amazing to see. You don't think PwC does so much, but there's so much they have offered for the community that I've been able to see, so it's amazing to be able to give that opportunity.
I just graduated from UNCW with a chemistry degree. In the lab, on Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays, I go out with our lab technician, Brittany, and we collect samples at our local sampling sites. And so we test for like things such as turbidity, our chlorine, and just as a normal monitoring to just make sure everything's going well. And then on Thursdays and Fridays, we just do things in the lab just to test to make sure everything's fine. So going out and getting samples, I enjoy that. Also, when customers call, we get to go take care of that to, test their water for them and get to have that customer, I guess the interaction with customers, the one-on-one interaction. I really do enjoy doing that.
I heard about the STEM program through my high school counselor. Actually, she posted it online. She posted a lot of stuff, and I thought this was really interesting. I might want to take a closer look at it. In the HR department, I'm working on helping them organize files. I know in the AV room, there's a lot of furniture, a lot of old files that they need to get rid of to clean out that room. So I'm helping them by scanning files, organizing them, making sure they're ready for them to somebody to pick them up. So I'm not for sure what major I want to do right now, and this is why another reason why I wanted to do this program is to help me decide what major I want to do once I get to Chapel Hill. The most surprising is how casual the employees can be. Like, we can have, they do the work, of course, but they can also have fun and laugh and joke, and it's really nice to be around them. Well, I really enjoyed being here. I know next week is my last week and I'm kind of going to miss it, but this was a really good experience and I definitely recommend it to other people.
I go to North Carolina State University. I am an environmental technology and management major. Ever since high school, I took an environmental science class, and I've always kind of felt that drive to give back and improve the way that we use the planet and for its resources. So in the Watersheds department, we just started a project. We're looking for ways we can build beehives on some of the properties to improve the quality of life of pollinators. And we're also working on floating wetland ponds, which will help with the water quality by adding native plants on top of the water, so they can provide nutrients to the water as well as filter out toxins. I would definitely say look into an internship here, because I found that even if it's not exactly in my field, like I'm in watersheds and I'm more interested in working with solar energy, I'm making a lot of connections here and learning a lot of things about the environment that I didn't know before. So I would certainly recommend it.